Good morning, Josie from Finest Laya. I'm going to show you how to propagate Philodendron and Pothos. I'm here inside my greenhouse and I have this Philodendron. This is a cutting from this Philodendron plant behind me. And I'm going to show you how to propagate, make more plants, Philodendron plants. Right here. So you could see along this vine, you see the different segments. Right here, closer. So you cut the piece from this portion over here. So you could see roots coming out from the vine, from the stem. So you cut it right here. Let's do it. So let's cut it. Put this one vine on the table. So you cut it right there. One, so you have one plant, and you got this extra stem, and then you cut it from this second leaf again, and like there, you see, it has to have a leaf on the stem. So from that vine we made 4 cuttings, and you will plant them in individual pot and water. So we'll do that. So we have our prepared little pots here. They are 2 inches, I would say, 2 inches pot. The soil is a compost soil that we composted from leaves and other cuttings from our garden. By the way, I soak this pot with soil in water, making sure that the soil is fully soaked before you plant your cuttings. And I have this for the loam is a rooting powder. It helps the roots to settle in the soil and to grow. So what I do here is I'm going to put some powder on the root, on the plant, on the cutting, like that, and then stick it into the pot. I'm going to put 2 in each container and put it against the wall there, and make sure to press gently to remove air pockets. And we put powder again on this one cutting, and put it on to the other side of this pot, like this. Gently press to remove air pockets. In that way, the roots will have a better chance to settle into the soil and start growing, just like that. Then we get another plant and again make a space, a hole in the soil and put it in. Gently press the soil like that. Another one. Like that. Two pots. There you have it. You have 4 plants of philodendron. You put it in a well lighted, but away from the sun, and watch it grow. Hope you enjoyed watching this little demo. This morning I'm going to show you how I am going to propagate pothos. Pothos I have here is pearl and jade. Pearl and jade because you have the cream color here and the green, so it is called pearl and jade pothos. It's a variety of pothos. I have been soaking this vine for probably 3 weeks, and as you can see, the roots coming out of the vine. I'm going to divide this just like what I did with the philodendron, and then pot them into a 4-inch pot. These are our 2 pots. I soaked it in water so they're well moist. Very good medium for growing these pothos. This is my growing medium that we use with the philodendron. So let's cut our pothos into segments. There's 1, and then there's number 2. Let's just leave this alone. There are 3 leaves, 2 leaves and 1 coming up. And I'm going to put 3, 4 in each pot. As we did with the philodendron, we put some powder, make a hole in the pot, on the side of the pot, like this. Gently press it, and then another one here. Number 2. Three. And then 4. There you have it. And we will repeat with the other pot. There you have it. Put it in a corner wherein it's well lighted, but away from direct light, sunlight, and watch it grow. Water it every, let's say, because this is a small pot, every couple of days, depending on the weather. If it is too hot and dry, you might want to water it every day. Check the soil first. Make sure that the soil is moist for the young roots to develop. Lastly, we're going to put our other cuttings. See, I left this two segments. So there are like 2 segments in here plus 1 over there. We'll have 3. Let's see how it does. There we go. They're so healthy. What you can also do is when they are growing and they're making offshoots, you can repot, take the plants from the other pots that we have planted, put them together in a large pot, and that way you have a nice collection of this pearl and jade pothos, and then you can either put it on a stand where they can grow and cascade down. It's very beautiful, like a waterfall presentation, and it could be your statement plant inside your house or on your porch. So there you have it. Hope you enjoy this presentation and make your own cuttings, pothos cuttings, if you have pothos in your collection. I just finished potting my pothos cuttings, and I am just enjoying this beautiful morning here in my garden. This is a special place in the garden where we like to come and sit down, and my husband and I would come and sit down and do some weeding around here and have a cup of tea. So now that I'm done with potting my pothos cuttings, I'm going to go and make myself a cup of tea.